Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign into your TSB online banking account. Alright, let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to the search bar. Type in TSB login or TSB bank login. You'll see a list of results. Click on the official TSB website, which is usually at the top and should be tsb.co.uk. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. You'll be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the provided field. If you want to make future logins faster, you can check the box that says Remember my username. Once you've done that, click Continue. If you've forgotten your user ID, don't worry, you can simply click on the Forgotten Your User ID link and follow the instructions to recover it. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type it in carefully, and once you're done, you'll be logged into your TSB online banking dashboard. And that's it. You're now signed in and ready to manage your finances online. So that's basically how you can sign into your TSB online banking account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.